it is, folks. Worked very well. Took the whole hive out in one piece. Thank you for that, Jesus. Oh man, I worried about that comb breaking off of it because I knew it was all brand new. And a lot of honey in there, I can see. We only broke a few pieces off in the floor. Right down here. And there is our entrance. Right there. So I'm going to go ahead and vacuum these bees first and pick this stuff up. And, you know I'm looking for the queen. Time to start that vacuuming. So I'm going to set her on the box. Let these girls kind of find her. And I'm going to finish up this job. Thank you, Jesus. Whew, that's sweet. All our bees are now vacuumed up. And so the next thing I'll do is I'll actually start framing up all this comb right here. What I want to do is I want to actually kind of put it in the order that I took it out from the hive. It might help in their reacclimation to the new hive if all the combs in the same way. Don't know if it makes any difference, but at least I think it might help. So I'm going to do that. I keep all the pieces of comb in order so that I can actually do that. So I'm going to go ahead and start framing this stuff up. Before I turn that queen loose, I want to make sure that everything is clear. That now, last video I did at that house, Dirt Rooster threw in that comment how Mr. Ed had thrown in a Japanese hornet queen because she was so big. Well, this is the queen that came from that hive, and she's going right back into it. Let's turn her loose. Now she's walking on the frame right here. She didn't want to go on this frame. She went into another one. But she is in the box. So we're going to go ahead and close it up. That wasn't very glamorous. We're going to close this up and seal the deal.